Want to grow your own herbs at home? It's easier than you think and perfect for all ages. First, grab a few small pots. You can use plastic cups, mugs, or any little containers you already have. Next, fill each pot with potting soil. Leave just a little space at the top. Now it's time for the seeds. Sprinkle in your favorites: basil, parsley, mint, or whatever you love to cook with. Cover the seeds gently with a bit more soil. Don't press too hard, just a light layer will do. Now, give your new herb garden a drink. Use a watering can or even a spoon to lightly water the soil. Keep it moist, but not soggy. Place your pots in a sunny spot, like a windowsill or porch, and wait. In just a week or two, you'll start to see tiny green sprouts. With a little love and care, your herbs will grow strong and fresh, ready to snip and use in your favorite meals. Start your herb garden today. Subscribe for more helpful gardening tips.